Brew Reusable Vertuo pods. Instead of throwing away expensive used pods, we have greener way to reuse them easily. Remove the existing lids. Clean and rinse out the pod. Place the pod into holder. Two-sided scoop. Fill with favorite fine grounds. Press firmly. Align and apply the lids easily. Place the cap to rotate and press down. You will get a new pot within minutes. Insert into Vertuo machine and brew. The refill pod work as original pods. Enjoy it for infinite coffee flavor. Strong lids, no harm, and no mess to machine.